Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri Kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make nutty chocolatey truffle. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Take 5 pieces of badam and 5 pieces of cashews, chop them and let's fry them in 2 teaspoon ghee. Roast them until it becomes crisp. In the same ghee, I am going to add 25 grams of condensed milk. To this, I'm going to add a pinch of salt. This will enhance the sweetness of condensed milk. Now let's turn off the stove and add 20 grams of cocoa powder. Along with cocoa powder, I am adding the nuts which we have roasted. Now let's mix all the ingredients together. After mixing, let's transfer it to a bowl and refrigerate for half an hour. Now let's make them to small balls. After making them to small balls, you can garnish it with cocoa powder, milk maid and nuts. Now our tasty, yummy, nutty, chocolatey truffles is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.